Today I am going to show you how I have created this cyberpunk artwork. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I'm really excited for this game and really waiting for such a long time. So in this video today I am going to explain you the breakdown of this artwork and what really inspired me to create this artwork. Before the breakdown, I will show you the references what I went through. So I did some research on Cyberpunk's overall mood and characters. I wanted something to be a mixture of comic book illustration and graffiti artwork, with nice composition and minimum use of colors. So first I made a very rough sketch. Then I went for the inking process. I followed a grid, a line work. You can see the line of action and the focal point. It's very common how your eyesight travels when you look at any painting. In this case, first you look at the title, then you look at the center of the drawing, then rest of the elements. Basically, this is how the grid and the line work forces you to look at the picture. Okay, once your composition is final, then we'll go for the shading. So when I started the coloring, I went for the complementary colors which are close to the blue color shade, purple, blue, magenta. For the title I picked yellow, as per the original cyberpunk color. Little light grey in the background, and I also give a highlight to the character outline. If you turn on the grid, you can still see how the lines are forming. Even the backlight of the vehicle. Then I added some effects on top of it, some boxy shapes, square, rectangle, to give a little feeling of hack and glitch. Then I made one more frame using yellow color to give a little flash, lightning effect. Okay, so this is how I made my cyberpunk art using the various techniques. Please add your comments in the comment section on what kind of videos would you like to see. Like, share and subscribe to follow more comic illustrations on Supreme Art.